Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. Today we are going to discuss video about Jupiter debilitated in the natal horoscope. जन्म कुंडली में नीच गुरु का प्रभाव. If you have Jupiter placed in the sign of Capricorn in your Janam Kundali in your natal horoscope, then this video is for you. Those of you who are new to astrology, planets keep transiting through various signs, and if you are born when Jupiter was in the sign of Capricorn, then it is said that you have debilitated Jupiter in your natal chart or horoscope. This is going to happen again from November 2020. I'm going to give the dates about Jupiter debilitation. November through April, Jupiter is going to be in the sign of Capricorn and it is known as debilitated Jupiter. This happened before in 2008 and 2009. So you will notice that every 12 years Jupiter passes through the sign of Capricorn and the people born that year will have Jupiter debilitated because it is in the sign of Capricorn. Now let us look at the background about debilitation of Jupiter. Jupiter is a benefic planet. Jupiter is about amplification. Jupiter is about your kids, your creativity, your finances, your duty, your religion, family values, and the philosophy. Jupiter is considered debilitated in the sign of Capricorn because this over-expanding nature of Jupiter clashes with Saturn's limiting nature. Saturn is about law and order. Saturn is about limited resources. Saturn is about hardships, hard work, lot of efforts and following the law. Jupiter finds these restrictions difficult to deal with and hence its expansive nature is in a way curbed. How does it express in people's lives? People with debilitated Jupiter in the natal horoscope will always go after status symbols. They will try to buy all the products that give them status. In ancient days, it would be owning a big mansion of stones, big forts, or some big palatial residence, maybe on a mountain top in a cold place, or it could be some religious guru sitting on a throne on a hill in a temple. But this Jupiter will always crave for commercial things, commercial success. If you have natal Jupiter debilitated, then you will notice that you want to go to the best school. You want to do puja in the best temple. You want to drive the car that is socially approved. Even though your family background or your finances may not support this, but you will have this inclination to go after whatever is taken as socially high hierarchy sign, status symbol. Hence people with this placement could be great businessmen. They will try to come up with products which will be sold to the masses and they will cater to their thirst of getting a class product at a lower price. So many businessmen are seen with debilitated Jupiter and they will do excellent. Many people in politics, many people in religious institutions, many people in educational institutions are seen with debilitated Jupiter. Why? Because they bring in the commercial systems for higher gains. And there is one care which a person with debilitated Jupiter in natal horoscope has to take. Since these people are going after profits, high margins, more gains, more visibility, they can succumb to corruption. And when they do it, they will be caught because that is how Saturn will work. Hence, if you have Jupiter placed in the sign of Capricorn in your D1 chart, that means natal horoscope, or D9 or D10, be careful about the activities you are doing if they are on the wrong side of the law. And typically, when Saturn is in Capricorn, you should be overly careful. There is a chance that you will be caught for the wrongdoings that you have done. This is a very karmic placement, having Jupiter in the natal horoscope in the sign of Capricorn. This is your chance to repay whatever karma you have done wrong in the previous birth. If you were overly commercialized things and you went away far from spirituality, this is your another chance to show spirituality through your behavior. Use this life for donations, building orphanages, building educational institutions, but not for profit but for charity. You can volunteer there, you can do donations, or you can help by giving your time to such institutions, whereby you will make sure that people who have less money can take the advantage of these facilities. If you are a woman with debilitated Jupiter in the natal horoscope, that doesn't mean you are going to have second marriage. No. Jupiter debilitated does give you a chance of marrying second time. However, not every horoscope will do this. Rather, it means you may not be satisfied with your husband the way he is behaving, so your job is to stop him from going on the path of corruption. You may notice that you will use your birth to inculcate spirituality in your kids, or you may be working without taking any remuneration for the kids' education. Jupiter is one planet, however, your horoscope has other planets too. Depending on the aspects and conjunctions of this Jupiter, your behavior will change. But be careful, if you have Jupiter in the sign of Capricorn, stay away from corruption. You will be using brand products, you will be having high status in the society, but make sure you help others. Hope you like this video. If you have more questions about this Jupiter, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com and I'll be more than happy to take a look at your horoscope. Please share this video with your friends and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.